Kinetic impactor technique. Imagine this. A spacecraft, traveling at an incredible speed, crashes into an asteroid just like a cosmic game of bumper cars. Sounds wild, right? Well, it's not science fiction, it's one of the most promising methods that scientists are testing to prevent an asteroid from wiping out life on Earth. This method, known as the kinetic impactor technique, involves sending a spacecraft directly to collide with an asteroid in a controlled impact. The goal isn't to destroy the asteroid but to change its course by imparting just enough force to alter its trajectory. NASA's recent success with the double asteroid redirection test mission proved the technique works. The DART spacecraft was launched with one specific target in mind, Dimorphos, a moonlet orbiting a larger asteroid called Didymos. When DART crashed into Dimorphos at speeds of over 14,000 miles per hour, scientists were eager to see how much the impact would shift the asteroid's orbit. The result? It worked. Dimorphos's orbit was altered by a noticeable amount, proving that a carefully timed collision could redirect an asteroid's path. This is huge. If a large asteroid were headed straight for Earth, this technique could buy us precious time to avoid disaster. The idea is to use these kinetic impacts to push asteroids off course early enough to prevent them from becoming a global threat. And while DART's mission was just the beginning, it's an exciting step toward protecting our planet from the unseen dangers of space. Think about it. Our planet's safety could one day rest in the hands of spacecraft designed to give asteroids a cosmic nudge. Who knew saving the world could be done with a little bit of space-age bumper car technology?